Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just looking for a faster, healthier way to whip up your favorite comfort foods, air fryers have become a must-have on the countertop. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Well, you're in luck because we've tested over 50 models to bring you the absolute best air fryers of 2024. Let's get started. Alright, before we jump into the top picks, let's talk about what an air fryer actually is. If you've been wondering, is it just a fancy toaster oven? You're not far off. An air fryer is basically a countertop convection oven that uses a fan to circulate hot air around your food. This method cooks your meals faster and gives them that crispy, caramelized finish we all love, without drowning them in oil. It's like the cheat code for making French fries and chicken wings that are crunchy on the outside and tender on the inside, but without the guilt. Now, air fryers typically come in two main styles, basket style and toaster oven style. Basket style air fryers are probably what you picture when you think of an air fryer. Think of a deep fryer, but instead of oil, it's hot air doing the magic. These are great if you love shaking up your fries mid-cook to get them evenly crisp. On the other hand, toaster oven style air fryers look just like, well, a toaster oven. These are perfect if you want to keep an eye on your food as it cooks since they usually have a transparent door. Both styles come in various sizes and price points, so there's something for everyone. So with all that in mind, let's get to the good stuff. The best air fryers of 2024 according to our tests. We've got something for every kitchen, whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd. Kicking things off, we have the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer, our pick for the best overall air fryer. Now, you probably know Instant brands from their famous Instant Pot, but let me tell you, they've outdone themselves with this one. The Vortex Plus is a beast with its wide, square-shaped basket that's perfect for cooking up big batches of fries or wings without overcrowding them. It's super consistent, and even though it might not brown your food as intensely as some other models, it still delivers perfectly cooked meals every time. The only downside? It's a bit slow to preheat, but once it's going, it keeps that temperature steady. So, if you're looking for reliability, this is the one to get. Next up, we've got the Kosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer, which is the best value for your buck. If you're on a budget but still want top-notch performance, this is the air fryer for you. It's compact, easy to clean, and even has extra functions like a special mode for cooking frozen foods and a proof setting for bread. While it might not get that perfect crunch on every dish, especially if you're cooking something like salmon, it still does a fantastic job overall. Plus, at this price point, it's hard to beat. Feeling like splurging a little? Then check out the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. This one's a bit of a powerhouse. It's not just an air fryer, but also a toaster oven that can handle everything from crisping up your favorite wings to baking a 13-inch pizza or roasting a whole chicken. It's got smart tech too, with Element IQ heating elements that adjust to make sure everything cooks evenly. Sure, it's pricey, and it takes up a lot of counter space, but if you're looking for versatility, this is worth the investment. If you're short on space but still want big performance, the Ninja 4-quart air fryer is our top pick for the best small air fryer. This little guy may be compact, but it packs a punch, delivering near-perfect results on everything from garlic and shrimp to wings and fries. It's easy to store, quiet, and straightforward to use, making it a great option for anyone in a smaller kitchen or apartment. Last but not least, for those of you cooking for a family or just love the idea of cooking two different things at once, the Ninja DZ071 Foodie Flex Basket Air Fryer is the way to go. It's got two zones, so you can make your tater tots on one side and your salmon on the other without any hassle. The only catch? The temperature can vary a bit between the baskets, so you'll need to tweak your settings. But once you get the hang of it, it's a super versatile and large capacity machine that's perfect for families. So there you have it, our top picks for the best air fryers of 2024. Whether you're in the market for a budget-friendly option or ready to splurge on a multifunctional powerhouse, there's an air fryer out there that's perfect for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Happy cooking!